This is ANN News Brief.
Good afternoon. I'm Lucy Adeyemi. South Africa has imposed new restrictions to curb the surge in coronavirus cases. President Cyril Ramaphosa announced new tougher COVID-19 restrictions on Monday, a day after South Africa recorded more than 1 million COVID-19 cases. President Ramaphosa said the country was at an extremely dangerous point in the pandemic and action had to be taken. Indoor and outdoor gatherings have been banned, a curfew introduced from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. local time, and alcohol sales prohibited. Recently, authorities confirmed a new, faster spreading variant of the virus, which had been detected in South Africa. In a televised speech, Ramaphosa said the new 501V2 variant was now well established in South Africa, and the recent rise in cases was a cause for great alarm. Some hospitals and medical centers have reported a huge rise in admissions, putting a heavy strain on the health system. The new measures takes effect at midnight on Monday and will last until mid-January next year. 3 French soldiers have been reported killed while in operation in Mali on Monday after an improvised explosive device hit their armored vehicle. The French presidency said in a statement the soldiers on a mission in the southern region of Hambori-Mopti province were part of France's special military operations in Mali, fighting against Islamic insurgents in Africa's Sahel region. French Defense Minister Florence Parly said the soldiers were operating in an area where terrorist groups are attacking civilians and threatening the regional stability. French President Emmanuel Macron paid tribute with the greatest respect to the soldiers who died. He reiterated France's determination to pursue the fight against terrorism in the region. The French soldiers were involved in a mission aiming at helping Mali to gradually be able to ensure its own security. France has more than 5,000 troops in West Africa to help fight extremist groups. In a different story, authorities in Mali say they have begun an inquiry into the violation of state security on Monday following the August 18th coup, which ousted President Ibrahim Boubacar Keïta and put the country in the hands of a transitional government scheduled to oversee a return to civilian rule within 18 months. 6 prominent figures were detained for questioning earlier this month. The public prosecutor in the capital, Bamako, said a preliminary inquiry had been launched by judicial investigators. We'll be right back.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit.
Ethiopia state-affiliated television, FANA, says banking services have resumed in the capital of northern Tigray region, Mekelle, on Monday for the first time as the government seeks to restore normalcy since war broke out there last month, November 4th. Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's government declared victory after seizing Mekelle from the former local ruling party, the Tigray People's Liberation Front, TPLF, on November 20th. The conflict between federal forces and the TPLF is believed to have killed thousands and displaced around 150,000 persons. Communication was cut off during the fight. The World Health Organization, WHO chief Tedros Ghebreyesus, who is of Tigrayan descent, spoke emotionally about the conflict in an end-of-year message on Monday. Tedros said he had many relatives, including his younger brother, in the region, but had heard nothing from them after communications were cut. At a news conference from WHO headquarters in Geneva, he said he does not know where his relatives are. Aid agencies have also struggled to gain access to Tigray and are concerned about food running out, especially in refugee camps. Abiy's government says the conflict is finished. That is ANN News Brief at 1. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.